In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize headings in Microsoft Word. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to turn plain text into clear, professional-looking headings that you can reuse across your document, and even in future documents. Let's start with the basics. Go ahead and open your Word document and type the text you want to use as a heading, such as the title of a section or chapter. Click and drag your mouse over that text to highlight it, because Word only applies heading formatting to selected text. With your text selected, look to the top of the screen and find the Home tab on the ribbon. This is where most of your everyday formatting tools live. In the middle of the Home tab, you'll see a group called Styles. Inside that area, you should see built-in options like Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on. To quickly apply a heading style, simply click Heading 1 if it's a main section title, or Heading 2 or Heading 3 if it's a subheading. The moment you click, Word will change the appearance of your text, usually making it bigger or bolder so it stands out. Now, the default look might not match the style you want, and that's where customization comes in. First, adjust your heading text manually. With the heading still selected, use the font controls on the Home tab to change the font family, size, color, or alignment. You can also make it bold or italic, or adjust the spacing before and after the paragraph under the line and paragraph spacing options. Once you've got the heading looking exactly how you like, you can save those settings into the heading style so you don't have to repeat the same formatting every time. In the Styles group, right-click on the heading style you used, such as Heading 1, and choose the option to update that style to match the selected text. From now on, anytime you apply that heading style elsewhere in the document, Word will use your customized look automatically. You can repeat this process for Heading 2, Heading 3, and any other levels you need, creating a clear visual hierarchy in your document. This not only makes your document easier to read, but also lets Word generate automatic tables of contents and helps with navigation. That's all you need to create and customize headings in Microsoft Word. With just a few tweaks, you can give your documents a polished, consistent structure in no time.